see some misconceptions related to identity and inverse of rational numbers. Misconception 1. Which of the following statement is true for rational number p by q? Students often confuse between additive identity and additive inverse. They think that just like an object looks in a mirror, the same applies to the rational number p by q. Minus p by q is the additive identity of p by q. Therefore, they give answer as option 1, which is wrong. Remember that 0 is additive identity for rational number because addition of 0 to any rational number makes no change in the value of rational number, means its identity is not changed. Similarly, if addition of any rational number a by b with rational number c by d is 0, then a by b and c by d are called additive inverse of each other. Here, addition of p by q with minus p by q gives answer as 0. Therefore, for p by q, minus p by q is the additive inverse. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. Misconception 2. Which of the following examples assures that 1 is the multiplicative identity of rational numbers? For rational numbers, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Many students just memorize the concept of multiplicative identity. They do not understand its meaning. By looking at the first option, they think that here multiplication operation is performed and the answer obtained is 1. Therefore, this option is an example of multiplicative identity. For this reason, they give the answer as option 1, which is a wrong answer. Remember that if any rational number is multiplied with 1, then the answer is same rational number. That is, there will be no change in the value of that rational number. Therefore, we can say that the rational numbers 1 is a multiplicative identity. Means here option 2 is the correct answer. So today we have seen some misconceptions related to identity and inverse of rational numbers.